Yes, students, we have discussed all the important points of this history lesson 1. So, you read the lesson, you will understand in a better way and note down the points. Just I will tell you in brief, in a story form. Like in class 7th, we studied about the ancient and medieval history, and in class 8th, we are studying more about the modern period of India, which started from the 18th century. Modern period started before in European countries, while India was still in medieval period. Then we also discussed about the Industrial Revolution. The main thing was huge production of goods took place in European countries, and where they needed more raw materials, labor and ready-made markets at cheaper rates. All this they got in India very easily. Then we could see the city culture, urbanization, that is factories were opened, so people were able to get new jobs, so people started shifting or migrating from villages to towns. Scientific and technological progress could be seen because of the factories were opened. Nationalism, people were attached to their country, so feeling of nationalism arose among the people. Socialism, distribution of the wealth was equal and means of production was owned by the people and not by the state. New discoveries were made, new sea routes and new discoveries were made, and the most important one was made by Vasco da Gama from Portuguese. He was the first European to reach India by sea. He discovered sea route from Europe to Asia. The Renaissance, in short it is rebirth, started in 16th century, and Industrial Revolution took place where several machines were invented to increase the production. The Americans and the French Revolution changed the lives of large number of people. The revolutions introduced the ideas of liberty, equality, fraternity, that is feeling of friendship. Then India and the modern age. After the death of Aurangzeb in 1707, later Mughals made India vulnerable to foreign. So European trading companies came into power. And the most important about the European trading companies that is that they maintained the records very well, systematically, not only official records but also other sources. They also maintain the historical monuments and many others. Students, with this we have completed the lesson. Read the lesson, you will understand in a better way. In next class, we will continue with the exercises of lesson 1. I think you can see even now they are there, the few monuments, that is Gateway of India, Victoria Memorial in Calcutta, Howrah Bridge of Calcutta, then few buildings in New Delhi. So children, it was a very small lesson but interesting. Read the lesson once again and note down the points, and next class be ready with your, you can in next class when I will give you this objectives and question answers. Objectives you can continue in your book only, you can write in your book, and question answers you have to write in your classwork, in history classwork. So with this I will end the lesson. Thank you. Jai Gurudev. Have a good day.